Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm back to show you and share with you how I made this moss stitch or linen stitch short beanie. Short beanie is usually worn above the ears. It gives it a funky and nice style for some people who likes it. It's a very nice beanie to wear for this time, summer or winter, depending on which yarn you use. It is very easy to make, quick. Within an hour you can achieve it. So without further ado, we'll get started. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I will chain 3. I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, chain 1, 1 single crochet, total of 5 times, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more, 5, single crochet, chain 1, and join to the initial chain with a slip stitch. Round 2, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 1, and I will be working in the chain 1 spaces only. So in every chain 1 space, should be 5, I'm gonna work 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet in every chain 1 space. So to ensure you get the right stitches in the right place, this is the first chain 1 space between the single crochet. So I'm gonna insert, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and repeat in all chain 1 spaces. So here's the second one, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. So usually the chain 1 space has a smaller loop than or smaller V than the single crochet ones. So here is a single crochet, here is a single crochet, this is the chain 1 space, and here as well, single crochet, single crochet, chain 1 space. So look at the chain 1 space here, it's smaller than the single crochet chains. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, and chain 1, and join to the initial slip stitch. Round 3, we're gonna decrease the number of single crochet chain one in a space. So the first chain one space, I'm gonna make a double single crochet, which is single crochet chain one, single crochet chain one. In the next space, which is between the double single crochets, I'm gonna make one single crochet only, and I'll repeat 2 1 2 1. So I'm gonna chain one. So this is the first chain one space, one single crochet, chain one single crochet, chain one. In the next chain one space, one single crochet, chain one only, and I will repeat. In the next space, single crochet, chain one, single crochet, chain one. In the next space, single crochet, chain one only, and we'll repeat the same till the end of the round. Oops. And the last stitch will be one single crochet, chain one only, before I join with a slip stitch. That's it. So now the next round will be one single crochet, chain one in every space. So every other round, will be one single crochet, chain one in every space. No increase or decrease of the double single crochet, no existence of it at all, to keep the round shape of the circle. So I'm gonna chain one in the first space, one single crochet, chain one. In the next space, one single crochet, chain one, and in every space in this round, one single crochet, chain one. And here I'm at the end of the row and the last single crochet, and join to the initial chain one with a slip stitch. If you ever get confused where to find the end of the round, just place a stitch marker, it will be easier. So this is looking around like this, and I'm gonna continue with the next row, decreasing the 2 single crochet in a stitch. That means the previous round we did 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, of course with a chain one space. In this round, 1 2 3 4, fifth round will be 2 single crochet in the chain one space, 1 single crochet in the next 2 spaces, and repeat. So chain one in the first space, which is this one, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain one, 1 single crochet, chain one. In the next space, 1 single crochet, chain one. In the next stitch space, 1 single crochet, chain one, and repeat. The next space, 1 single crochet, chain one, 1 single crochet, chain one, and then in the next 2 spaces, 1 single crochet, chain one. This is to keep the circle flat for more rounds. So I'm going to repeat till the end of the round. and the last stitches of the round, which is 1 single crochet in every space with a chain 1 space with a chain 1, and slip stitch onto the chain 1. This is how it looks so far. So again, the next round will be 1 single crochet chain 1 in every single space. No 2 single crochet in a space, just 1 single crochet chain 1 in every single space. Like I said, this will be done every other row till I reach round 14. So we're making this for medium size. I'll explain later how to make it for different sizes. So here again I'm at the end of the round, and I will join to the chain 1 space with a slip stitch. Now the next round, it's another decrease, so I'm gonna chain 1. This time 2 single crochet with a chain 1 space in the first space, means single crochet chain 1, single crochet chain 1, and in the next 3 spaces single crochet chain 1 only. So 1 single crochet chain 1, 1 single crochet chain 1 in the same space. In the next 3 spaces single crochet chain 1, and I will repeat the same till the end of the round, which is 2 single crochet with a chain 1 space in the previous space, and a single crochet only with a chain 1 space in the next 3 spaces. So I'm at the end of round 7, and then I'm gonna slip stitch onto the chain 1 space, and round 8 will be the same as round 6, which is 1 single crochet chain 1 only in every single space. And this is the end of row 8, and the last stitch is here. Chain 1 and join to the chain 1 space. Okay, so this is row 8 done. Now I'm gonna go to round 9, which is again a decrease. So I'm gonna make 2 single crochet with a chain 1 spaces in 1 space, and this time 1 single crochet chain 1 in the next 4 spaces. So basically I'm gonna repeat till round 15 for medium size. So round 14, sorry, round 14 for medium size. If you want a larger size, you add 1 row of decrease, which is till around 16. And then if you want a smaller beanie, a smaller size, you do till around 12 or 13. Okay, so I'm gonna start this decrease first, which is chain 1. This is the space, 1 single crochet chain 1, 1 single crochet chain 1 in the next, like we said, 4 spaces. Yeah, single crochet chain 1, single crochet chain 1, single crochet chain 1, single crochet chain 1, and again single crochet, chain 1 twice in the same space. So like we said, every other row, if it's one single crochet, chain 1 only, and the rounds which have a decrease, you increase the number of single crochet, chain 1 in a space by 1 in every round. So this round 9, around 9 we increased by 1, which made it 1 single crochet, chain 1 in the next 4 spaces. In round 11 it will be 1 single crochet, chain 1 in the next 5 spaces. In the round 13 in the next 6 spaces, and so on till the end. So I'm gonna finish till round 14, and I'll come back to show you what to do next. Okay, so here I have finished 14 rounds of the moss stitch or linen stitch. So before we go any further, I'll make a recap. So this last round was only 1 single crochet with a chain 1 in every space. There is no decrease. The previous row, which is number 13, I did 2 single crochet with a chain 1 space in one space, and 1 single crochet, chain 1 in the following 6 spaces. This is number 13. So we increase till 6 single crochet in the spaces. And what I'm gonna do now, very simple. For the next 15 rounds, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1 in every space for the next 15 rounds. So no more decrease of the double single crochet, because we will not have any. Simple 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1 in every single space for 15 rows. So here is the last row of the moss stitch beanie, and I have finished here 14 rows total. You can do 15 or 13 depending how long you want it, or short. So this is the final result for the short beanie, easy and straightforward. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow, and until next time, take care, bye bye.